shut down firstly. Be sure it is powered off. Remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of iPhone 6s with a pentalobe screwdriver. Press a suction cup onto the bottom of screen, just above the home button. Pull upwards the bottom until we can see a small gap. And then using a triangle plate pull the screen out slowly. Because there are cables on the top of mobile phone which connected to the main board, we must pay attention to pull too hard to break the cables. Let's remove this metal piece. There are 4 screws on it. Unscrew them with Phillips screwdriver and remove metal piece. These 4 screws are different. Remember not to mix up the screws. Then pry up the 3 front panel assembly cables with crowbar in turn. Remove the battery cable metal piece. There are 2 screws on it. Unscrew them and remove the metal piece. These 2 screws are different, not to mix up. Then pry up battery cable with crowbar. Along the bottom of the battery above the dock, there are 2 adhesive tapes. Open them, coil one of them with a screwdriver and pull it out slowly, don't break. Then, pull out the other one in the same way. Now you can take out the battery. Bend the Uowlbear battery cable to shape slightly. Stick new adhesive tapes to the Uowlbear battery. Place the battery in the phone. Then replace the battery cable on the main board. Replace the metal piece and screws. Reconnect the 3 front panel assembly cables to main board in turn. Then replace the metal piece and screws. Carefully press the top of the screen into the top of the frame. And snap down the screen until it clicks into place. Start up the phone, make sure it is successful. Replace the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of phone. Well done. Thank you for your watching. Hope it'll help you for your battery replacement.